Alright folks, so I wanted to do a quick update on the catch can install and the bypassing of the PCV valve. So it's pretty interesting. It's been 1,000 miles since I've installed the catch can and the hose for the PCV bypass, and it's interesting what I'm getting in here. I've just put on a lawnmower filter so it's clear and I can see. I mean, I can just vent it to the atmosphere, or I wanted to actually be able to see what is getting vented out. And you can see the sludge, the white kind of milky looking oil that's blowing through. Obviously, if you got a white oil, that's water in your oil. So that's what typically would be going back into your engine through the upper and lower plenum. So I'm bypassing that. That is no longer going back into my engine. Truck's got 264,000 miles on it, and I want to be able to maintain that, as long as I can and keep the engine running a long time. So let's check out the catch can. So I installed the catch can in a position that I could get to, so I can empty it if need be. It's got a dipstick on it. I've already looked at the dipstick, but I'm gonna pull the can off and we'll see what's in it. Alright, so you guys are gonna love this. This is what we got. This is in my catch can. Pieces and particles and sludge. So this is pretty nasty. That is what is gathered. Almost looks like freaking bacon grease. That's disgusting. That is what's blowing out of the back of the crankcase, or rather the back of the valve cover on the driver's side. So your passenger side, you've got a PCV valve there that goes here, and then on the back side you've got one that comes off, can't really see it, but back in here. So in this hose here is what comes up from the back side, goes around, and if you've watched my video on the installation, you saw, and this typically would come around and come in here, which then goes in through your throttle body. That crap would be going through my throttle body, but I bypassed it, the hose, right? That hose comes around here, comes down, and then goes into my catch can, and then goes back out, and then plugs in back here on the back side. And the PCV, I pulled the PCV valve out here, put in a plastic fitting, ran the hose out and into the fuel filter. All right, so that's the update on Frank and Yoda. On I'm trying to maintain it, keep the mileage up on this. I really want to run this thing at least 500,000 miles. It's in 2,000 limited. I love my truck, and when I'm not driving this, I've got the fun car. Oh snap! All right, that's it. Later.